The Vision camera window displays the images for each camera and any results associated with a Vision tool. You can access the Vision camera window under the Vision pull-down menu. The Vision camera will display each camera that is available on the remote Vision server once it is connected. Hovering over each camera tab will display basic information about the camera. When you press the Take Picture button on the Vision toolbar, the Vision server will acquire an image for the selected camera in the Vision camera window. When a Vision tool or process is executed, the camera will update the image when an acquisition is performed. If a Vision tool executes and is configured to overlay results markers or indicators on the image display, then those will be visible based on the configured properties of the Vision tool. If you select a Vision tool in the Vision Project Manager window, the camera window will show the results details for the selected tool in a table format under the image display. If you select a result in the table, the result will be highlighted in the image display. Likewise, if a marker is selected in the image display, the image result will be selected in the table. If you adjust the results properties and re-execute the Vision tool, then the image display will be updated. You can use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or out of the image display.